Hi, and welcome to week 2 of Introduction to Sociology. Again, I'm Professor Fenlon, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick snapshot of this week. This week we are covering Chapter 1, the Sociological Imagination. So before Tuesday's class, I asked that you read the chapter, and there is quite a bit of information in this chapter. Some of the things that we're going to highlight during our live session is we're going to talk about what the sociological imagination means. That is a concept that was coined by a famous sociologist in the late 50s, C. Wright Mills. So we'll talk a little bit about his theory of what the sociological imagination is and how some people accuse sociologists of just stating the obvious. So we're going to talk about how sociology is more than simply observations. We are also going to look at a little bit of the history of the field of sociology and highlight some work of some founding sociologists in the field. And we'll dig a little bit deeper into their theories and some of the works that they've published. And we're also going to take a look at sociology and understand how it's different and how it's related to other social sciences like psychology, anthropology, political science. So we're going to understand how sociology is its own field, but how it has a lot of crossover with different social sciences. So this Friday, don't forget that you have a discussion question and you have a homework assignment due on Chapter 1. It's actually homework assignment number 2. If we look here at the calendar, you'll see right here on your syllabus that this Friday you have discussion question 2 and homework 2 due by Friday the 11th. So just remember that this week is graded, and as well as in the discussion section, and you will see this written into the directions of the discussion section, you are required to not only post your own thoughts, but to also comment on 2 of your peers' posts. So I will be seeing you guys Tuesday morning at 9:30. Don't hesitate to let me know if you have any questions.